Hello beautiful people. Welcome back to my noob YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show how to install ESP Home and control a basic switch over Wi-Fi. First open your Home Assistant web page and go to Supervisor tab and Add-on Store. Search for ESP Home and click Install. I have a trash internet speed, so we'll skip this part. As you guys see, I download the ESP Home and Add-on Store. Now enable both Start on Boot and Watchdog. And start the ESP Home by clicking Start button. And now you need to configure Node MCU, so now press Add button and follow in the video. And avoid caption I given by mistaken, and it will give errors when compile. And now you need to flash YAML file manually on your ESP node. So press compile. Wait for it complete. After it complied, reload the web page. So your download will not crash, otherwise you will get .txt file instead of bin file. And now you need ESP Flasher to flash bin file manually. And give you download bin file and flash it to your ESP node. After it automatically restart and connect to your Wi-Fi. And it will show green line to show it online. And now you add your switch by code. I will give the simple basic code in description. And click upload and wait for upload complete. And now go to Configuration tab and Integration and click at ESP Home. Now go to Overview, and you can control your switch from there. I'm showing you little demo video. If you have any doubts you can ask me in comments sections below.